Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Synthesia AI videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you dub a video into a different language using Synthesia AI? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to dub one of your videos into another language anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have viewers from different countries, and if you dub the video into another language, it could open up the market a little bit for you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Synthesia IO account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Synthesia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to dub one of your videos in Synthesia, here on the left side, you're going to see a menu, and you want to click on this button here, AI dubbing. Okay, if you're going to be dubbing a video in Synthesia AI, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is just drag the video into this little box from your desktop. You can also paste a link from a YouTube video, but you have a limit of 2 minutes on a YouTube link. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and upload a video here. Okay, I just grabbed a video from my desktop. Now it's processing. Okay, now it detected that the video is in English, so let's go ahead and dub it into, let's say, Spanish. Okay, so I'm going to click Spanish. You can also dub it into other languages at the same time. Just note that each one of these languages is going to be considered an additional dub, so it's going to deduct from your minutes. So this is just a test account, so I only have 8 minutes left. Also here, the lip sync, so they're going to go ahead and process the video, so that way the speaker's mouth is moving at the same time as the language. This is an upgraded plan, which I don't have, but if you have an upgraded plan, you can go ahead and check this box to lip sync. So once you're ready to go ahead and dub this video into a different language using Synthesia, click here on generate. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, it's processing right now still, so it's saying it's going to take about 28 minutes. Actually, it just jumped down to 2 minutes. So I'm going to check back in with you once this is done processing and dubbing into Spanish. Okay, it actually didn't take 20 minutes, so it looks like it's ready. So let me click into it. Okay, I'm going to play the video. Okay, so yeah, I did dub it into Spanish. However, I don't have the upgraded plan, so his lips are moving in English. However, the voice appears to be the same, and then also it's all in Spanish. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to dub a Synthesia video into another language, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.